Welcome to Gismatrix. In this tutorial, we will show you how to use the Create Buffer functionality. Let's begin by selecting a few features on our map. Click on the Create Buffer tool. This source table is automatically populated with our selection. We'll set the buffer distance to a fixed value of 10 meters. We leave the buffer generation mode as a buffer for each object separately and save the results to an existing editable layer. In the Attribute Column Mapping section, we clear the default mapping, set the width, target column to a fixed value of 15 and click Run. The 10-meter buffers are generated immediately around each selected object and added directly to our editable layer. Now, let's explore how to merge multiple overlapping buffers into one. We select two adjacent polygons on the map. Open the Buffer tool again. We keep the distance at 10 meters, but change the buffer generation mode to one combined buffer for all objects. This time, we choose to create new table and name it buffer_test1. Because we are merging objects, we can define an aggregation method for the attributes. We set the method to sum for both the area and length columns and hit Run. Gismatrix automatically merges the overlapping areas into a single, unified buffer geometry, adding it as a new layer to our workspace. We can also vary the buffer distance using attribute data. Let's select a line feature. In the Info panel, notice that its segments have different width values, 10, 20, and 30. In the tool, change the distance mode to column name and select the width column. We choose one combined buffer for all objects and create a new table named buffer_call. We set the area aggregation method to sum, and click Run. The resulting buffers width dynamically adjusts along the path to perfectly match the attribute values of each individual segment. Finally, we can calculate distances using custom SQL expressions. We select the line again, open the tool, and choose the expression distance mode. In the editor, we type with *5. We can click Verify to confirm that our syntax is correct. We name the new table buffer_call_5, set the aggregation method for area to sum, and click Run. The tool generates a buffer that is 5 times wider, highlighting the powerful flexibility of Gismatrix. Thanks for watching.